Seiffr room is a totally new learning and teaching environment to the University of South Wales. It's been designed for our students to work through complex simulation-based challenges that replicate some of the real-world issues that our students would have to face when they go into profession.
We've been using the new interactive crime tables in USW, and we've been running a case alongside our lecturers who've been feeding us information bit by bit, while we use investigation skills to figure out what's happened. It's really interesting. It's something that we've never used before, especially like working alongside my friends around a big table in a big group. It's a good laugh.
It's just been very exciting. It's something new, and for someone who uses practical learning better than theory, it's been much better. Everyone's got to cooperate. There's a 100-point touch system, so you don't have to rely on one person to be touching everything. You can all work together. We've had witness statements, we've had ambulance logs, CCTV from a crime scene.
This space here is the first of its kind in Wales, and in fact in the UK. There are huge benefits for our students. It allows them to be immersed in an investigation. Just an absolutely incredible addition to the simulation and immersive capabilities of the University of South Wales.